Hi friends, and welcome to the last day of introductions for this October release. Today we are introducing Reading Tree and its coordinating creative cuts. And we're also introducing the All Tied Up creative cuts. Now let's take a look at the images included in this stamp set. This stamp set coordinates perfectly with the holiday reading sentiments. We have an awesome Christmas tree created out of books, as well as 3 kids and lots of cute kitties to decorate your scene. Today I'm showing you how I color this little kid with the book and the little cat, but I'm not showing everything because otherwise the video would be way too long. You can find the Copic color numbers in the description below. And that finishes the coloring for today. Let's take a look at the all tied up creative cuts. This set can be used to create a gift on the front of your card. It can be used both in a landscape as well as in a portrait way. The set cuts out 4 windows and comes with an adorable bow. For my card today, I'm using this die to also make a window in the front of my card, and therefore I'm running my card front through my die cutting machine, but stopping at the end of the die because otherwise it would cut straight through. I line my window with a piece of acetate. Before covering it up with the all tied up dies, I am stamping my sentiment on the front of my card. Now it's time to add in the window frames. And finally, I can add my bow to the front of my card. I will be decorating my card both on the inside and the outside, and therefore I'm doing some ink blending on the bottom of the inside. I'm also stamping this large sentiment from Joy to the World. And of course, the last step is to add our cute little images. I'm adding this stack of books with the mouse as well as the little kid I colored for this video to the front of my card, and on the inside I'm putting the small mouse as well as the kitty reading the book. And that's my last card for this release finished. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And I will see you in the next release. This release is available from the 15th of October. Bye!